Jane Middlemass. I'm the Executive Officer of Union Aid Abroad, AFIDA, and I'm really honoured to be here today with this delegation of representatives of global union federations, the ACTU, the KSTL Timor-Leste, for our meeting with the Honourable Prime Minister Xanana Gusmão. We coordinated this visit, Union Aid Abroad AFIDA, with the global unions, representing sectors including education, public service, finance, commerce, building, journalism, in order to strengthen coordination and partnership with unions and workers in Timor-Leste and hear about issues facing workers in Timor-Leste. The impetus for our visit is a new Partnership for Decent Work program funded by the Australian Government to support decent work and economic development in our region through worker-to-worker partnerships. The objective is to achieve Sustainable Development Goal 8, decent work in Timor-Leste and other countries in our region through supporting capacity building and building awareness of workplace protections and rights, building towards gender equality, climate resilience, and social dialogue. In our meeting with the Prime Minister today, we discussed our shared commitment to addressing issues facing workers in Timor-Leste. We discussed the importance of quality jobs, decent work, decent pay, support for youth, and the importance of social dialogue. And we have reaffirmed our commitment to working together in solidarity to achieve these aims. Thank you very much.
Lógica externa, nada, agradece por temas para Sua Excelência Primeiro-Ministro, e vemos que hoje sim delegação do Global Union Federation, nessa Public Service International, Education International, BWI, UNI, IFG, nomos a federasi, leve maka organiza visita dane, e a minha discussão leve dia teteles, o Excelência Primeiro-Ministro, e areba assunto será leve maka acontece para trabalhar seri itinerário, leve a mim kia ba governo dane, leve liderado o Primeiro-Ministro Karara Xanana Gusmão, atau bele halo mos mudança para situação de baia para emprego no condição de serviço e internação de bele dia clita. Kami agradeço que teves para reunião dene e lá to remata o dia. Obrigado banget.
Obrigada, Barak. Hau nesan country manager da FIDE Timor-Leste, muito ko a minha serviço o Sicília, lebe maka cara partilha informação rela serviço, muito desde a FIDE ia Timor-Leste, desde pós-referendum até agora, commitmento por ter de colaborar muito com o Castel em termos de assunto laboral. Nebe para kona positivo encontro ne o inhane sepe hatona também mau se na repete nebe a minha cara cato agradece wine boteves ba Sua Excelência Primeiro-Ministro Sr. Karara Xanana Gusmão nebe mas sempre simu a FIDE de pedido o inhira a minha delegação mai hosi raio também maka po haraikan hakar kato agradece wine boteves ba Sr. Primeiro-Ministro Karara Xanana Gusmão. Obrigada.
Thank you. As has been shared, we are here as a joint delegation with AFIDA and different global unions to share our sectoral concerns while appreciating the work that has already been done by the government of Timor-Leste on the labor law and also on the working conditions. and we are looking forward to work even more closely with the government, with the trade unions, especially in the social dialogue process, to bring in decent work and to have a better world for all, including women and youth. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Indah Budiarti. I'm representing Public Services International. It is a global union federation for the public sector worker, around 30 million workers around the world. We are here. Thank you very much for His Excellency Prime Minister Sanana Gusmao for hosting us to visit Timor-Leste and speak with him on creating social dialogue with the Timor-Leste government. We are here to support our colleagues in the public sector and civil servant to get recognition for fully re-established of union in the civil servant and public sector worker, because we believe that when they have a strong union in the civil servant and public sector worker, then link for the good government and to change the character in delivering service, quality public service for Timor-Leste people. I believe in. Thank you very much for this opportunity, especially for Prime Minister Sanana Gusmao. Thank you very much.
Thank you. My name is Anand Singh. I'm the Regional Director for Education International, representing more than 30 million educators, education support personnel across 181 countries. We are here with the Trade Union Delegation, which collectively represents more than 200 million workers. We were here with AFIDA and to meet with KSTL, and we had a very constructive meeting with the Prime Minister. Thank you for your leadership, Prime Minister. And we discussed a variety of issues affecting workers in public and private sector, including decent wage, minimum wage, as well as social dialogue, working conditions, and so on and so forth. We are looking forward to working further to reach the commitment that made during the meeting, and we continue to extend our solidarities and commitments to strengthening of the trade union movement in Timor-Leste, as well as strengthening of democracy and working with the government closely in achieving our agenda. Thank you.
Brothers and sisters, it's a great pleasure to be here on behalf of Uni Global Union, together with AFIDA and other global unions. We're working with General Workers Union and KSTL to develop unions in the private sector, in banks, in commerce, and we believe that workplace democracy is essential for robust national democracy. And so we're proud to partner with these unions to work to develop not only the unions, the economy, but also Timor-Leste and the democracy in Timor-Leste here. Thank you very much, and thank you to the Prime Minister Sanana Gusmao for hosting us all. Thank you.
Taufik Muhammad, I'm representing the union meeting for Indonesia. We are neighboring country. First, I would like to thank for very warm hosting from Prime Minister Bapak Sanana Gusmao. That we, in line with the social dialogue, I think we need to pursue a more collaborative manner involving the trade union in the policy making, as well as the mechanism to fostering the better conditions for working people in Timor-Leste. And we would like look forward to work with the KSTL and also the new services that representing the union in Timor-Leste. Thank you so much.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Prime Minister, for hosting us in this meeting. I think we have a very productive meetings, and we talk about a lot of issues about labor issue, and we thank the Prime Minister for being encouraging as well. I mean, I mean, I thanks him for responding to some of the issues we raised about the issues of minimum wages. We raised about the issue of uplifting the labor protections, labor standards as well. And he gave a very positive feedback. And I believe one of the important key messages we talk about is about the social dialogue, which means that it couldn't, to develop the country, we cannot only rely on just the government. We need the trade union specifically, because we are one of the very important stakeholder. We represent the voice of the workers, and we know the issue deep down on the ground, and also the grassroots issue. So I believe this is where we should always collaborate together with trade union, with the Global Union Federation. Together we can develop the country to a higher stage. Thank you, Prime Minister.
Thank you very much, Prime Minister, for hosting us. I am from the Australian Council of Trade Unions and wish to extend our warm regards to the people of Timor-Leste and to affirm our long-standing ties of solidarity and offer our support in developing the country future, particularly developing workers' rights, recognizing that social and economic development must prioritize the interests of ordinary working people. So thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. It's great to be here. We had a great discussion with Prime Minister, and we are looking forward to working together with the union here, represented by KSTL, and the global unions, my colleagues, to promote this decent work in Timor-Leste. One of the things we have, we are going to work together is this social dialogue in partnership with youth. And now I can see why Prime Minister was, talking about youth, because in front of us, majority we see as the youth, interested in this program. Thank you for your interest. We look forward to working with you in future and spreading the good news of this decent work in Timor-Leste. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Joe Simos. I'm a representative of the Service Employees International Union in the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. We represent everyday workers, cleaners, janitors, and we're here today because we believe that working together, we can make Timor-Leste a stronger country. We want to make sure that Timor-Leste is a country that not only grows democracy, but also grows economically, so that young people are not forced to leave their country. We want Timor-Leste to be a beacon of how young democracies can actually grow, and we believe in order to do that, we need to work together along with the Prime Minister to make that dream come true. Thank you very much, Prime Minister.
Last but not least, a person that will talk about you.
Prime Minister, the International Federation of Journalists is very proud to be part of this important delegation to Timor-Leste. It represents a really significant milestone to have so many global union federations here speaking for workers, having a dialogue with the Prime Minister about the important issues for the future of democracy and the future of media. And for media workers, this is an important milestone because media also needs to be part of this dialogue, not only by telling the stories of yourselves or organising as yourselves, but telling the stories of ordinary workers around the country. There cannot be increased awareness about worker rights, decent work, and the industrial relations framework of this country without good journalists telling excellent stories. And we are here to be part of that. We're honoured to be invited by AFIDA to be part of this program, and thank the Australian government for making the decision to support such a groundbreaking program for this region. So thank you very much.
I apologize. I will criticize you in that one. Because you don't understand. Sim, e agradeço a FEDA, a Marlene Lemos, Sir McClory, sindicatos, o Sir Australian, Sir Nemai, Sir Really, Maya Tukulia Convas, Lusa, Trabalhadores Unidos. Benoni Teves, depois me comecei a sobre a Feda, a Maeda, FKTL, para eu tenho dito para a dentro de um programa de discutir. Deve agradecer a Cira, a Mojoinha, a agradecer a Australian Trade Union, deve ir a Tina, o número assim rápido, ter os tapéis, Cira não apoio da visita, apoio da visita. Quando o governo apoia a ignorância, sim, não apoia a visita. E agora, dia 24 horas, com a ONU, se vai a ajuda, analisa tudo, foi no chá, serve a ajuda e a formação do doutor e a trabalho da pesquisa. Obrigado, Vale. I was telling journalist.
Thank you.
Invece considera per alcuni di
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye-bye.